today this is Raji Pras, the founder of DCLIs. I wanna talk something about you, which is very important and it changes your life totally. Okay, so to improve your life, you need four kind of tea. First tea means time. Okay, so to do new thing or a special thing for you, especially you invest your time. And second T means technique. Okay, so beside time you need to know the proper technique. What means by the word technique? Technique is the systematical way or the proper way to achieve anything very short time. So at this moment I say a third type of tea. Third type of tea means training. Okay, so training means to practice yourself a lot, to do new something or attain any kind of things. And four kind of tea, you need to teacher. Okay, you need to mentor who has a lot of experience, because you learn many things from him as a teacher, as a mentor, because you know to do new something you need to teacher to maintain your time, to maintain either your others kind of things. So today I share with you a very important and the new exceptional thing for you. I think it's really change your life.